Welcome to Processverse, where nature's secrets are transformed into life-changing remedies.
Every leaf and root is purified, unlocking the healing compounds within.
From nature's essence to the medicines we trust, every drop is carefully crafted and packaged for the world.
From roots and bark to healing remedies, witness the unseen art of transformation.
Check this one for moisture.
Looks clear, but it's heavy. Watch your back.
Look at this. It's completely ruined.
All right, I'll add it to the pile. The rest seems okay. We have a good yield today.
Yes, mostly premium grade so far. Keep an eye on the moisture levels.
Watch your step on the left.
Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Are these dry enough now?
Almost. Shake them a bit more before hanging.
Does this one go in premium? No, that looks like a standard to me.
The mist is settling nicely today.
Agreed. We should maintain this pace until the break.
Make sure the absorption is even on this batch.
I am checking the color now. It looks consistent.
This filter is almost clear. How are the levels on tank 3?
Looking good. We should be done with this run in an hour.
This batch is too soft. Discard it.
Agreed. The integrity is compromised.
Scan complete on batch 001A. Confirmed in the log.
Check the consistency on tray 3.
Looks a little coarse. Should I adjust the setting?
Careful with the weight on this one. Almost there, just tilt it slowly. The potency is lower than expected on batch 4.
All right, I'll increase the concentration flow.
Are the filters clear on your side?
Yes, flow is steady. We can increase the volume now.
Check the color on this one. No, that's not passing clarity. We have to reject the batch.
The uniformity looks excellent on this run.
Yes, the blending is working perfectly.
I'm clear on this one. Move to the next.
Yes, let's start tank 5.
Check the scales on batch 42.
Reading consistent, within tolerance.
Check the viscosity again after the adjustment.
Reading stable. We are within the optimal range.
The viscosity on this batch seems slightly low.
Yes, but the color matching is perfect.
Check the viscosity reading. We need to increase the stabilizer flow.
Increasing to 25 milliliters per second.
Increase the pressure by 5 kilonewtons.
Confirmed. Monitoring the dissolution rate now. Ensure the weight is within the specified range.
This one is underweight, moving to quarantine.
This tablet is cracked. Place it in the red bin for reprocessing.
We need to increase the flow rate slightly on the filler.
Okay, I'm making the adjustment now. Monitor the output.
Check the alignment on this one. Batch number 7 is clear. This one needs replacement.
Batch 45 BC, potency reading 99.8%.
Confirmed. Recording the results now.
Everything looks correct here. I'm signing off on the QC verification now.
All right, I'll update the main log with the batch numbers.
Batch 69 approved. Move to packaging.
Yes, Supervisor. Moving to Zone 3.
Check on station 3, that last label was off.
Already swapped it out, Supervisor. All green now.
Make sure that one is stable before you move it.
We need the thermal labels for the next row over there. Okay, got it. Okay, this pallet goes here. Make sure the batch number matches the manifest.
Yeah, 74B confirmed. Scanner shows green light.
Pallet 77A logged correctly. Verified. Moving to the next batch.
This shipment is cleared. Move it to the loading zone.
Copy that. Bringing the forklift around now.
The blister packs look perfect today.
Yes, another successful run for the blood pressure medication.
All right, clear to go. See you on the road.
Drive safe, everyone.